Hello everybody, welcome in this new video. Today I'm gonna present you a new software which called JMatPro. This software presents some materials, their properties. It helps you in your study, in your work, and in your research. This software, as you see, is the Pratical software for materials properties. So let's begin together. I want to choose load material. I want to select the one. Let's see together their dynamic properties. As you see, let's see another one. Okay, so I want to choose another one. Any other one. I want now to see all properties. Load. And for example, we have the composition of this material, percentage, the top. Sorry, I wanna restart it. Okay, that's it. Sorry, I wanna restart again. Okay, that's it. I will choose now stainless steel. For example, I want to know the step temperature. This is the step temperature, with the start temperature and the end one. Let's see another thing about stainless steel. Thermophysical property. We load the material. We have 3 types of stainless steel. Let's see this one. Okay, I load all their properties. This is the stress strain curve. This is also stress strain curve. This is the physical properties. The first one about properties, general physical properties, phases detail, cooling curve, transition energy, etc. Flow stress, the true stress function of the true strain. Okay, as you see, some formula that you need. This is Young's model. Okay, the creep calculation, the high temperature strain, the solution hardening, the beating resistance, etc, etc, etc. So I advise you to download this software because it's really interesting and it's help you in your study, as I said before. But at the end, I just want to say that I did this video just for you, to help you, to give you some advice. Thank you so much and goodbye.